Hello all, myself Christy Varghese. This is the book I have written for General Aptitude section, which is currently the bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A. And these are the other books I have written, and this is the details of the workshop I conduct for Vedic Mathematics. And if you want to get regular updates from me regarding my upcoming classes, you can be part of the WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And my daily free classes happens in Unacademy profile Christy Varghese. And if you are new to Unacademy profile, you can use this invite code CC10 to access the free classes also. And in YouTube, if you want to attend all my previous free classes, General Aptitude with Christy Varghese, you can Google or YouTube, and you can see all the videos of all the classes I have taken in different YouTube channels. The question reads like this: on a planar field, you travel 3 units east from a point O. So you have to visualize the situation correctly. That is the most important thing. So I will just take this as the starting point O. 3 units east means towards the right direction. Yeah, you should be clear about all the 8 direction. North, south, east, west. Not only that, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest also should be clear. So with that idea, 3 units to the east. East means right side. So here you are reaching. Next you travel 4 units south. South means downward direction. That means something like this. 4 units south to arrive point P. So this is the point P. Then you travel from P in the northeast direction. Northeast means this is north, this is east. So northeast will be in between. This direction northeast. So from point P northeast means we can say something like this. North and east exact middle, 45-degree angle we can say. If you just think that this is east, northeast will be exact middle of north and east. That means like this. And one more condition is there, such that you arrive at a point that is 6 units east of point O. O is here. 6 units means 3 units. One more 3 units. That means total 6 units. This is 6 units. That is the idea. Yeah, that is also totally possible because that is in the same line itself, because it is question is saying that 6 units east means it should be in the same line. So that is why I am drawing it here. So that is a point. Now next you traveled in the northwest direction. Northwest direction means, for example, if this is north and this is west, 45-degree in between, this is northwest. Look at the picture. This is northwest. From here, northwest direction, such that 8 units north from point P, that point you are reaching. Or if I just draw this like this, we can represent it. This should be, question says this is 4. So this also should be 4, so that P and this Q distance is 8. PQ distance is 8, that is what the question says. The point Q should be 8 units north of P. That is why I am saying this is 4. Now everything in the question is represented. The distance of point Q to point A. Question is finally asking, what is this distance? OQ distance, how much it is? OQ distance. Clearly it's a Pythagorean triplet. A triplet which satisfies Pythagoras theorem. For example, if I am calling this point as X, OQX or OXQ is a right triangle whose one side is 3, another side is 4. So the third side surely be 5. Pythagorean triplet list you can see here. 3, 4, 5 is the very basic Pythagorean triplet that you have practiced a lot in school days. Or if you don't know Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5, you can just check. 3 square plus 4 square will be equal to what square? It can only be 5 square. So this side should be 5. OQ length is what is asked. So option C, 5 is the correct answer. Yeah, here drawing the picture or visualizing the situation correctly, that is very important. This was another question in GATE 2021 question paper. Thank you. More details of my free classes and other resources I provide is given here. There is a mobile application, Christy's classes, and there is Telegram group and WhatsApp group, which I told in the beginning. All the important links and all the important details of about the free classes and full courses are given in this slide. If you want to take Unacademy full subscription or plus subscription, this CC10 referral code can be used for taking plus subscription also, and to access the free classes also the same referral code can be used. And these are the two new full courses I have launched in Unacademy, one for General Aptitude, one for Basic Math and Vedic Mathematics. Both the courses you can access by a single Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. More details about my free classes are given in the description of this video. Thank you.